next unit and the past paper solutions for those. So you have the June 2019 across all 10 sets the paper solution for your communication section. Now under communication we have some of the questions related to verbal, non-verbal communication, the types of communication and so on. So let's talk about these here. So the first question talks about which of the following signifies non-verbal communication is an essential way. So out of these, I can say only dress code signifies non-verbal communication that is there. Teaching instructions, attending an online class or instructions written in the question paper are either oral or written, but they are forms of verbal communication. The next question is you have to find a relation between the correct communication element and the process involved. So who is a sender? So sender is definitely a sense organ that is there. Who is the receiver? The receiver is the brain receives the signal. What is the message and what is the medium? So message is the impulse that is going and medium is through the nervous system. So those are the correct matches for this question. A very simple question, a little of logic, a little of concept. If you are able to apply, you would be able to solve these kind of questions. As always in paper 1, you have diversity of topics. So pick out the areas in which you are actually struggling a lot and focus on those areas very, very carefully. The next question is which of the following is a stage of intrapersonal communication? Intrapersonal is a communication within yourself, listening to your own voice, hearing yourself, I can say. So at this level, you have a self-concept that is being formed. The next is connotative communication. Now similar question was asked back in 2017 as well, and this connotative communication is implicit, it is circular. So those were the characteristics that we have already covered. The Coppi's classification that we have, the Cahen and the classification that we have already covered. So a very direct question. This is a kind of communication which is deeply and fully understood, and that is what is implicit in nature. The next is the correct sequence. So first of all, for a communication to take place, you must be aware about it. Then you must have interest in it. A good evaluation and knowledge is required. So you have 2 as the right option here. The next question talks about the communication process. In a communication process, body language is associated with. Now here there was a confusion among most of the students between culture and classroom situation. The correct answer here is culture, because classroom situation is just a situation in the classroom. This question is not limited to classroom communication that is being asked. So you have culture as the right answer. So you have to be very, very specific while understanding and reading the question. Be very, very careful. The next question is local and face-to-face communication is what is known as a social communication. So those are the various forms of communication. Social communication, which gives to a kind of informal social experiences that are there. You have clinical integration, where you are trying to manage the health issues of the population. You have demonstrative integration, where you are trying to demonstrate something to bring in intricacies or details of something. Then you have spatial integration, which is across areas, across location, that is understood. So the different residential patterns, we could say, are example of a spatial integration. So here the right answer would be social integration. The next is you have to match the media with the types of communication that is there. So what is audio? In audio, if you hear on a radio, you would have FM bands. So what is audio? It is a frequency modulation, that is FM. So that's as simple as that. When I say advertising, I'm not personal about something. It's just a kind of branding that is being done. So advertisement is a non-personal communication that is there. Internet requires bandwidth. So how fast the internet is depending on the bandwidth. So measuring the speed is the key idea that goes through bandwidth, and newspaper is a linear communication. It's just a one-way flow of information going from the news agencies to the people who are reading the newspaper. So you have the correct matches that are there. The next question is, since most interactions with other people take place at a superficial level, making good predictions become difficult. Now, why I can say making good predictions become difficult? Because any discussion that is going through is at a very superficial level. It does not have a detailed depth that is seen. So you have predictions as the right option here. The next question is gatekeeping. Gatekeeping means it's a process through which you are filtering. So let's say a news agency is doing a work of gatekeeping. It checks in what news to provide you and what news to not to provide you. So that's closer to a kind of censorship, you can say. But the idea is understanding the control that is there, that the media is having on the society, and it acts as a gatekeeper, allowing limited information to flow through, and a story, information that's actually useful for the society and that is meaningful to the society should be covered, and that's the idea of gatekeeping. Now these are some of the questions which are part of mass communication. So students from the background of mass communication and journalism might find this section very easy and simple. So definitely they have to work hard on the other sections, and similar goes with different streams. So students from computer science background would find the ICT section easy and so on and so forth. But since, as I said, you have numerous subjects coming up in a common umbrella, scoring good in paper 1 is really important. If you score good in paper 1, you have ample of chances, even if you score decent in paper 2, to get through the net and even work for the JRF. So work hard, stay tuned. We will be bringing many more questions, many more sessions, and have a wonderful day ahead.